If you're looking for a solution for struggling to sleep at night because it's just too warm and you're looking for a super quiet fan, this could be for you. And a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out to us. This fan is a vertical fan. It stands at about 40 centimetres, so it takes up a really small footprint. It's perfect for places like your bedroom, your desk, maybe a nursery, where you want something small but powerful. The fan does come with instructions, but you won't need them. The controls are really intuitive. So what you do have there, you have 3 speeds, and you also have 2 different directional options. So you have the static, where the fan stays still, and you also have the oscillating, so it moves left and right with about an 80-degree range. Other things I like about this fan is you can remove the back and give it a clean out to keep it all nice and fresh and hygienic. When I tested this, I felt that the fan flow was really nice and strong. Even on the lower setting, it was really nice breeze. I also felt the sound was really reasonable, considering how powerful the unit is and how much breeze I was getting. It's perfect for those hot evenings when you want some fresh air to enjoy your indoor space and help you sleep. And thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending this out to us.